you guys? How are you? Hope you all are doing well, right? So today's tutorial is all about a pranayam called Nari Shodhana. This breathing exercise is very good those who have anxiety, stress regarding issues, right? Because stress, we believe that stress is the father of all the diseases, right? So in which many people are having BP, right? Insomnia, and especially those who have allergic, right? Because this breathing techniques, while I am showing you the techniques, if you practice it in a proper way, it will definitely give you the results. But make sure that while you are practicing these breathing exercises, your stomach should get empty. The best time is to practice it early in the morning. You can practice it just waking up in your bed, and if you are feeling that you are unable to sleep properly at night, so before going to bed as well, you can perform it at least for 5 to 10 minutes. But make sure that when you are breathing, you have to sit in this way cross-legged. If you are unable to sit in this posture, maybe you feel some uncomfortable problem because if you are a beginner, right, then you can straighten your leg and you can sit comfortably, or you can sit in Sukhasana. If you feel that you have knee issues, you can straighten again your leg and you can sit on the chair as well, right? So like you are in the office and you can feel that you are getting nervous, or maybe you are feeling restless, then definitely you can perform it anywhere. Okay, make sure that your back and neck should be in one line. Okay, if you feel that after 1 or 2 minutes, if you feel that your hand is paining, or maybe your back is paining like lower back, right, or your knee is paining or hurting, then stop for a while, relax, breathe with both the nostrils, adjust yourself, and then start breathing. Because while you are doing pranayama, it is very important that your entire focus should be on your breathing, the way you inhale and the way you exhale, right? Because what happens in our daily life, we exhale so fast, and you know what, it is a kind of imbalance of your inhalation and exhalation that actually brings a lot of disease in our body. So in pranayama, we actually make you learn, or we actually got to know that how to balance the inhalation and exhalation. So I am going to show you the technique. So if you feel that you are feeling your lower back issues or pain, you can take the support of the wall, you can lean back and you can sit comfortably, but making your spine and neck in one line, right? So what you have to do, you have to place your left arm this way. Okay, if you place it like this is called Gyan Mudra. If you place it like this, it is called Chin Mudra. So, how you place your right hand, you have to fold the first 2 fingers, that is your index and your ring finger like this, middle finger, this, and what you have to do, we always start our breathing with our left nostril in Nari Shodhana, okay, and while ending the process, we have to exhale through our left and you have to complete this set, right? So what you have to do, see, I am just going to block my right nostril with my right thumb, and I am going to inhale with my left nostril, okay? So I'll breathe, don't breathe don't do that, don't do in a rush way. So breathe should be natural, normal, okay? Don't force it. So breathe, inhale with your left, expand your chest, let the air in, then block your left nostril with this 2 finger and exhale from your right. As I am exhaling from my right, I have to inhale from the same nostril again. Blocking the right, now I am exhaling from my left nostril. Again I am taking the same. Inhale, block it, exhale from the right. Again inhale from the right. And exhale from the left. Okay, you guys. So what I did, my left and exhalation from my right. Again, I am taking the inhalation from my right and exhalation through my left. Okay, this way you have to continue. This is a circle. Actually, it helps the passage of your nostril, right? Those who have allergy, this is very helpful for them as well. While breathing, you definitely can feel that one nostril is already blocked and one is open, right? So you have to balance. While breathing, you may feel that after a few times, you can immediately feel that both the passage is getting clearer, right? So keep practicing this. Don't rush and don't hunch your back. If you feel that your arms are getting tired, relax yourself for a while. Come up again and then start the breathing process. Okay. So many people, what they do, in a rush way, so they do like, don't push it too much. It should be natural. I'm telling you again and again, it should be natural and it's like effortless. Okay, the way we naturally breathe in the daytime, right? Every time. So yogis, keep practicing this. You will definitely see the results. But make sure that you can definitely have 10 minutes for yourself to devote, right? So keep practicing. Stay healthy. Stay happy. Thank you for watching.